Suppose here again CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. The name of this compound, that is select at first longest continuous carbon chain, that is this is longest continuous carbon chain having numbers, suppose first, second, third and fourth. In straight chain there are 4 carbon atoms, hence it is derivative of butane. Then write here IUPAC name as haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. Then which is halo group here? Bromine. Then write here bromo, and in straight chain there are 4 carbon atoms, hence write here bromo butane. 4 carbon atom means it is derivative of which alkane? That is butane, bromo butane. Then on third carbon atom there is 1 methyl group, hence name of this compound is, that is 3 bromo, and here 3 bromo butane. 3 methyl on this third carbon atom, 1 methyl branch attached, hence name is 3 methyl 1 bromo butane. And remember that is this IUPAC name, it is always in a single word. This IUPAC name, it always as a single word. That is no gap in between this methyl, bromo and butane. Only this number and word, these are separated by dash. And if 2 numbers are there, these 2 numbers are separated by comma. In this way there is, in short, that is common name system and IUPAC system of this nomenclature of this common name and IUPAC system. The next point, that is methods of preparation. Next point of this chapter is most important point is also, that is methods of preparation. Methods of preparations. Then there are 4 methods. There are 4 methods for preparation of halogen derivative. 4 methods for preparation of halogen derivative or alkyl halides. Then which is first method? First method, that is from alcohol. First method, again remember this diagram for methods of preparation. In short, that is in chart, that is 4 methods of preparation. First one, from alcohol. First method, preparation, that is from alcohol. In this preparation of alcohol, that means this OH group, suppose ROH. This ROH, if this react with HX, that is hydrogen halides, then it forms RX, that is any suitable reagent. If this ROH is react with any suitable reagent, then this OH group get replaced by halogen atom and it forms RX. That means from alcohol it forms alkyl halides. Then in this there are 3 methods from this alcohol, that is from halogen acid and hydrogen halides. From alcohol, first method, that is from halogen acid or hydrogen halides. In this first method, from HX, that is hydrogen halide, or it is also called as halogen acid. Hydrogen halides or halogen acid. Then in this first method, that is preparation of RCl, that is alkyl chloride, preparation of RCl. Then that is there is easy to remember from this general reaction. General reaction is ROH. Then here if we have to prepare RCl, Then we have to react here which halogen atom, that is plus chlorine in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. This reaction is carried out in presence of which suitable reagent? Zinc chloride and HCl. This is carried out in presence of zinc chloride and HCl. This reagent is called as Lucas reagent. This reagent is called as a Lucas reagent, and this process is called as Gru's process or Gru's method. This is process, remember this name, that is Gru's process, that is formation of alkyl chloride. By which process? Gru's process. And which reagent required here? Suitable reagent? Zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride and HCl. Anhydrous zinc chloride and HCl. Then order of reactivity in this reaction is tertiary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl halide is greater than primary alkyl halide. Also remember this, that is this always ask in exam, that is order of reactivity of preparation of alkyl halides from alcohol is dash dash dash. Then one of this is tertiary is greater than, secondary is greater than. Another objective is suppose primary is greater than, tertiary is greater than. Or also another examples, that is primary, tertiary, secondary. In this way there are 4 objectives. Then which is correct order? That is tertiary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl halide is greater than primary alkyl halide. Because for primary alkyl halide, preparation of this primary alkyl halide, it requires zinc chloride and HCl. Then on heating with zinc chloride and HCl. Then preparation of secondary alkyl halide, it only requires zinc chloride and HCl, that is Lucas reagent, and it does not require heating, it does not necessary heating. And for third reaction, for tertiary alkyl halide, it only react with, that is HCl, and it gives tertiary alkyl halide. It does not necessary zinc chloride. Hence the order of reactivity is tertiary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl halide is greater than primary alkyl halides. This is first preparation of HCl or alkyl chloride. Then second, preparation of alkyl bromide, formation of alkyl bromide. How will you prepare alkyl bromide? Again alcohol, that is ROH, alcohol molecule. Then it react with, suppose we have to prepare here RBr. RBr means alkyl bromide. Then it react with bromine molecule. Suppose we have to prepare alkyl bromide, then we have to react with this alcohol and bromine. Then it requires, that is NaBr, sodium bromide in presence of H2SO4. In presence of H2SO4, then it gives alkyl bromide. Suitable reagent is here sodium bromide and H2SO4. Only remember in this suitable reagent, in this that is zinc chloride and HCl. In this suitable reagent is sodium bromide and H2SO4. Then third one, that is formation of alkyl iodide. Suppose in formation of alkyl iodide, again from alcohol ROH, it require iodine molecule, that is if react with iodine, then suitable reagent is sodium iodide or potassium iodide. Sodium iodide and potassium iodide with, that is in reagent it requires, that is third reagent is H3PO4. H3PO4, that is phosphoric acid, H3PO4, and it gives RI, that is alkyl iodide. In this way, from alcohol, this is first method, from hydrogen halides, or from alkyl halides. Then second, in this second method, by using phosphorus halide, in this that is same from alcohol, second method by using phosphorus halide, second from PX3, that is phosphorus trihalide, PX5, phosphorus pentahalides, and SOCl2, that is by using thionyl chloride. Phosphorus trihalides, phosphorus pentahalides, and by using thionyl chloride. Then first of all, that is reaction with phosphorus trihalide. Again, alcohol molecule, that is ROH. If this react with PX3, that is phosphorus trihalide, then it gives with red phosphorus and iodine, or red phosphorus and bromine. In this reaction, this OH group get replaced by X. This OH group get replaced by X and it forms a compound that is RX. This requires 3 molecules of alcohol, that is ROH plus PX3, then product is also 3 molecules of RX plus which byproduct form here, that is here H3, here PX3. PX3 means it gives a product that is third 3 molecule of H3PO3. Byproduct is H3PO3. Then second reaction with PX5, ROH, again alcohol plus PX5. Again it gives this OH group get replaced by halogen atom and it forms RX. It forms RX, and which byproduct form here? Again RX, and here 2 byproducts, that is if react with PCl5, it forms RX plus HX, that is hydrogen halides, and third molecule is POCl3. Third molecule is POCl3 or POX3. In general reaction, that is POX3. If there is chlorine atom PCl3, then it gives RCl plus HCl plus POCl3. Then third reaction with thionyl chloride. Again alcohol molecule plus thionyl chloride means SOCl2. Then on heating, this OH group again replaced by one of this chlorine atom and it forms RCl. One of this chlorine atom replaced by RCl, and byproducts with thionyl chloride is formed as SO2 and HCl. Both these are in gaseous state, hence this is the best method for preparation of alkyl halide. Suppose here X for best method for preparation of alkyl halide, that is ROH plus SOCl2. On heating it gives 1 molecule of RX, that is alkyl halide plus SO2 plus HCl. In this way there is second method by using phosphorus halide.